How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps on how you can unblock someone on Facebook. It's very quick and easy. So let's start with it. Open your Facebook application and go to your profile. Here, tap on the settings icon and then go to blocking under audience and visibility. When you tap on the option, you can automatically see the person you have blocked onto your account. And on the side of that profile, you can see the option called Unblock. Here, what you need to do is just tap on the Unblock option. And then you need to confirm for the last time that you want to unblock this person. If you unblock that person, he or she will be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings. And the tags that you and that person previously added to each other will also be restored. So tap on Unblock after reading the terms, and that person will be unblocked. If you change your mind and you want to block that person again, you need to wait for at least 48 hours to block that person. So be sure if you want to unblock that person or not. So in this way, you can unblock someone on Facebook from your phone in this very easy way. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video.